sir? Están grabando
Oh, belum dah. Itu ni.
Foto alam ni sir.
Trabaho ako. Ano, saya naraw dito. No, matay mo gusto niya ako ki recruit ko. Matay ni singdi mo.
Iya, macam
Matay ni singdi mo mo. Madam may
sa doon kalungan to kali itu kurbu. Au redir mata kini ko namboy, au sanga ingin saka super to ngai spirit mo. Paso komunidad pa to na ngani ko niko. Ni satu ni bir mata kini ko sa chuko sanga no kelas, chuko sanga no kelas. O satu ni saka wir. Ni ko ni kelas ko saka ni ko ani nduan na bulan na la ko min ko. Dona kawan di takaw. Ang vela mo ko na may rede veke mo. Na may sota veke mo. Sa ko saka ni mo may rasa wang ga naman tan sa balalay. Si ungin ni chuko chuko. Patuloy lang kayo sa chike. Nangalap mo.
Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
First day, 2013. First day of school. And this class is particularly for me very interesting because I received a Christmas card from you in 2010. So when I went visiting schools this morning, I thought I'd come and pay you a visit and thank you for the Christmas card you sent me in 2010. Now it's 2013, you were in class 1 then, now you're in class 4. So you all enjoying school?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any new students from all the old ones? So what are you studying today? Huh? What? Days and months.
We are honored, and then we can say that we are being blessed today, being visited by the Prime Minister. The first day of school, we know it's quite a busy year for everybody and the Prime Minister. Visiting the school is an honor, and then we are blessed today. In regard to, I know most of the children didn't even know because we are not informed. It was just an informal visit to school, and we're really happy about it. Today I just had a talk with the Prime Minister, and then he was telling me, I was looking through my drawers and flipping through the pages, and then I found this. And then he told me, and I looked into it, and I saw it's a Christmas well wishes from Vatuwaqa Primary School. This was way back in 2010. It was, and thinking that it's the first day of school, I when I planned, wouldn't it be nice if I go out and visit this school, being the first day of school, and welcome all the students and greet them. So that is why he's here today. And also he's visiting other schools and then checking out with all those things. But I think today is our first visit from the Prime Minister into our school today. He will be looking at all those in these few weeks' time. The engineers will come and have to change most of these buildings here, the structures of the building. Our school was established in 1932. Today it is 80 years old. So if you look at the structures now, they're very old and they are leaking, and then he has looked into all the classrooms, and then his team is willing to change the structures of the two buildings and also our playground. We also visit the ground, and then the engineers will be coming sometimes week 2, next week, to check out with all those things.